Good day. Following is the quick snapshot of the biggest stories shaping India on 2nd October 2025. UPSC turns 100 as Commission marks centenary milestone. The Union Public Service Commission completed 100 years on 1st October 2025, holding commemorations that highlighted its role in shaping India's civil services and triggered renewed calls in Parliament and the media for procedural reforms to widen access and speed up recruitment. PM Modi's backing of Trump-Gaza plan sparks backlash at home. On 1st October 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi publicly welcomed a 20-point Gaza peace proposal associated with US President Donald Trump, prompting opposition parties to accuse the government of abandoning India's traditional pro-humanitarian stance and triggering intense debate across political lines. Nation pays homage on Gandhi Jayanti. On 2nd October 2025, the President and Prime Minister laid wreaths at Rajghat to mark Mahatma Gandhi's 156th birth anniversary. The day's events emphasized service and cleanliness drives, with official calls to align national development with Gandhian ideals. Cabinet clears 6,957 crore rupees Assam highway upgrade with wildlife safeguards. The Cabinet on 1st October 2025 approved widening the 85.675 km Kaliabor-Numaligarh section of National Highway 715 to 4 lanes in EPC mode, adding wildlife-friendly measures and signaling a renewed push on northeast connectivity and regional development. RBI holds rates. Sensex rebounds 716 points after 8-day slide. The Reserve Bank of India's Monetary Policy Committee on 1st October 2025 kept the policy rate unchanged at 5.5% while unveiling targeted banking measures. Equity markets cheered the dovish pause and guidance, lifting the Sensex to about 80,983.31 and reversing recent losses. Low pressure in Bay delays monsoon withdrawal. IMD warns Kolkata rain on Dashmi. The India Meteorological Department said a fresh cyclonic circulation over the Bay of Bengal could intensify and stall the monsoon retreat, issuing alerts for heavy to very heavy rainfall in eastern India and a specific warning that Dashmi immersion and Durga Puja processions in Kolkata may be disrupted. India says UN peace troops in Ukraine, Gaza unlikely. Senior defense officials speaking on 1st October 2025 at a New Delhi meeting of UN troop contributing countries said political dynamics make fresh UN peacekeeping deployments to active war zones such as Ukraine or Gaza improbable, and New Delhi also signaled it would not invite Pakistan or China to its upcoming high-level gathering. India make early inroads versus West Indies as Siraz, Kuldeep strike, visitors 90 for 5 at lunch on day 1. The first test between India and West Indies in Ahmedabad saw Mohammad Siraj and Kuldeep Yadav combine to reduce the tourists to 90 for 5 at lunch, giving India a strong opening session with the ball on a responsive pitch. PSG stuns Barcelona with 90th minute Ramos strike in Champions League. In a thrilling match on 1st October, defending champions PSG overturned a 1-0 deficit and sealed a 2-1 win over Barcelona with a last-gasp goal by Goncalo Ramos. Nick Waltmate scored again as Newcastle United thrashed Union St. Gilois in Champions League group play. Festival box office clash, Kantara, Chapter 1 vs Sunny Sanskari Ki Tulsi Kumari. Two high-profile releases hit screens on 2nd October 2025 amid a busy festival weekend. Early trade and review talk centers on the theatrical clash while heavy rain warnings for Kolkata threaten Dashmi immersion rituals, creating a mixed cultural and commercial mood. That's all for today. Thank you. For daily headlines, tune into our channel.